Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the poem The Eagle, which is written by Alfred Tennyson. As you know, this is the first chapter of our reader book, The Eagle. First, we come to know about the writer, about the poet. So, he was born in 1809 and died in 1892. He was appointed as a court poet in the time of Queen Victoria. He is also known as a nature poet. So first, when we come to the poem, this is the short poem which have a deep meaning. When we read the poem, we first find that he claps the crag with crooked hand. Generally, student, we mention it for the animals and for the birds, but here it is mentioned he. Poet here gives some power supremacy to the eagle. That's why here it is mentioned he. Here the eagle is described as a majestic and powerful creature watching everything which is happening around him. So let us start the poem. He claps the crag with crooked hands. Here student, claps mean holding tightly. Crag, a steep high rock of mountain. Crook, it is curved. Close to the sun in lonely lands. So here poet describe that the eagle bird is sitting on a high rock of a mountain. He is holding tightly rock with his hand, that is curved hand, and it is over a high distance. That's why it is mentioned here that he is close to the sun in lonely lands. It means that he is isolated from the person because it is unreachable place for the human being. He is nearer to the sun. It means that he is at a very high rock. Ringed with the azure world he stand. From where he was sitting, he could see each and everything from there, and the azure means blue sky, and he also witnessed blue sky from there. The wrinkled sea beneath him crossed, he watches from his mountain walls. Wrinkled, what is the meaning of wrinkled? It is some lines or any face or somewhere. So on the top of the rock he was seeing the vast and enormous sea beneath him, and there are many waves, sea waves, which are looking small. That's why the poet mentioned here wrinkled sea. He watches from his mountain walls because he was sitting on that place from where he could see all around him what is happening. And like a thunderbolt, he falls. Because an eagle bird is known for its powerful eyesight. So when he is sitting on the top of that rock, he can attack his prey like thunderbolt. As thunderbolt is immense and swift, he attacked suddenly on his prey. Thank you, student.